What if every customer testimonial you receive could automatically tell you whether that customer is at risk of churning or ready for an upsell? If you're still struggling to keep up with customer feedback, this video is for you. Here's what happens in most customer success teams. Testimonials come in through different channels. They sit in your inbox or testimonial platform, and by the time you manually review them and decide what action to take, it's often too late. Instead of manually reading and categorizing each piece of feedback, you can set up an automated workflow that instantly analyzes customer sentiment and routes actionable insights directly into your CRM. This gives you the power to catch potential churn risks immediately and identify upsell opportunities the moment that they appear in testimonials. In this video, we'll create a Zapier workflow that connects testimonial to Levity AI to classify testimonial sentiment automatically. Sometimes setting up a new automation feels like studying nuclear physics, but hey, don't worry, you got this. We're gonna start from the testimonial dashboard. The first thing we need to do is choose our space. The long form video space seems to have some testimonials ready to be analyzed, so let's select it. Perfect. Now that we're in our space, we're gonna need to access the automation settings. Let's scroll down and click in the left-hand sidebar and click on the automation to open the automation settings. First, we're gonna go into Zapier and go into the automations. This is where we can connect testimonial to external apps. In the center of the screen, you'll see the Zapier button, and we're gonna click on it to view our Zapier integration options. Before we start the automation setup, we're gonna quickly copy our API key. We'll need it in just a moment, so we're gonna copy it. We're gonna go to the Zapier section, and we're gonna verify that we can integrate testimonial with Levity. So we're gonna search for it. Here it is. Awesome. After that, we'll click the create our workflow, and this will redirect us to Zapier, where we'll design our workflow step by step. Once you're logged into the account, as you can see on the screen, we can start building our automation. In Zapier, the first thing we're gonna do is set up a trigger. Every automation needs a starting point, something that says, when this action happens, do these actions. In the center of the screen, we're gonna click on the trigger box to begin the setup. In the search bar at the top of the pop-up, we'll type testimonial to find the testimonial app so we can select it as our trigger. This tells Zapier to watch our testimonial account for new activity. Now that we have selected testimonial, we need to specify what event will start our automation. In this right side panel, we're gonna click on the trigger event drop-down field to choose the new testimonial option. Just like this. This means every time a new testimonial comes in our automation, it will actually run automatically. Let's quickly authenticate our testimonial account so Zapier can react to new testimonials automatically. This is where we paste that API key we copied earlier. Just a few clicks and it's done. After that, let's click continue to proceed with the configuration. For this automation, we'll use only text testimonials. And that's exactly what we need to indicate at this step. This ensures that we're only processing written feedback, not video testimonials that would need different handling. We're gonna click continue now. And now we need to test this trigger to make sure it's working properly. Let's click trigger to find a sample testimonial from our account. Testimonial B should be fine for this. Let's select it. At the bottom, let's click to continue with the selected record to confirm the test. Awesome. Our trigger is now set up and tested. Zapier knows what to watch for new testimonials and has successfully pulled in sample data. Next, what we need to do is transform testimonials into actionable insights. And the system has already redirected us to the next automation node, so we're gonna keep going. At the top, we'll need to search for Levity. Here it is. Let's select it as our action app. Levity is an AI platform that specializes in text analysis, perfect for understanding customer sentiment. You can use other platforms for this, but it's up to you. In the right-hand side panel, we're gonna click the action event drop-down field to select text classification as the action. This tells Levity to analyze the sentiment and content of our testimonials, categorizing them based on the emotions and topics they contain. To complete this step, we need to connect our Levity account. It'll take just a few seconds, and while we're logging in, let me know in the comments down below if you've already used Zapier to automate anything with testimonial. Okay, seems like we're ready to move on. Let's click continue to proceed. Now we need to choose which AI block to use for our analysis. From the list of options, we'll select AI classify. And this AI block understands customer sentiment and can identify positive, negative, neutral feedback automatically. Here's the crucial part. We need to tell Levity what text to analyze. Let's click on the input text for classification field to select our data. We need to find testimonial text to connect it to the AI and analysis engine. Let's select it here. At the bottom, we're gonna click continue to go to the next step. Our AI analysis step is now configured and ready to process testimonials. Let's try it out. All we have to do to see it in action is click that test step button and the system will do the rest. Give it a moment. Levity analyzes the testimonial, it processes natural language and extracts meaningful insights in seconds. And look at that, label's value is indicated as positive. this means that the automation worked. Just below, you can see that the testimonial is about Rise Productive, the one that has been marked as positive. Pretty awesome, right? Now, in a real world scenario, this analyzed data would flow directly into Google Sheets or HubSpot or wherever you house your data. And you can choose depending on the goals you expect your automation to achieve. We don't discuss CRM integrations in this video, but you get the picture. If the sentiment analysis shows negative feedback, you could automatically create a high priority task for you to reach out to the customer to see what's wrong. If it shows positive with mentions of specific features, it could trigger potential upsell or be used as a potential case study. Based on my experience, this can reduce churn and can give you more revenue in your business. So if you're interested in utilizing more workflows like this, make sure to check out the link down below to try us out at testimonial.to today and integrate with all of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.